I have to wait for this to warm up so I can cook these. And I'm holding a temperature gun right now. See? And yes, it does work. Also, that rainstorm lasted less than a second. Sun's out. Kinda. It's gone behind that little bit of cloud there. It'll come out again. Ooh, blimey, it's chilly. While my phone is on about 10% right now, and it's a new day, by the way. It's currently 8:04 p.m. and I completely forgot to vlog today and yesterday. But I did vlog the making the food, sort of. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put my phone on charge. Then tonight, I'm gonna try and make some cookies now at midnight, at 8:04. I mean, no, 8:04. And yeah, but first, I need to pop this away, get myself ready for a shower or bath, charge my phone a bit, as I said, and yeah, this is fun. It's supposed to be a nice, relaxing night, but instead, I'm rushing about. I should probably calm down a bit. Oh, and yes, I'm home alone for the next 3 days, so expect a 3-day vlog, or vlog. Don't know yet, but yeah. See you in a sec. Okay, so that was probably one of the most relaxing baths I've ever had in a very long time. I'm using the big tripod at the moment because we've not used it in a while, and I've got the small one for what I'm gonna do. Alright. Tonight is the night. It's 8:53, as you can see, to bake some cookies. And the best thing is, I think, don't get me wrong, but I think, where is the internet? Let me quickly do some research. Alrighty, I need to move all my decorations out the way because they are in the way. Only downside is I don't have any baking sheets, so what I am going to do is that I'm going to use the baking tray, obviously, to then go from there. The downside about having one of these really good ovens is that it becomes really dusty, and every time I have to dust it off. Right. I would have to preheat that one to 180. I've switched you to the smaller tripod now. This hair is annoying me. Let's get baking.
The train just left this town, while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts, I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is
cookies are in the oven. I think I've recorded enough clips. I'm not entirely sure. It's now 10 to 7 and I am shattered. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for these to cook. Then I will wait for them to cool down as well. Then I'll be heading off to bed. What's the time actually? There we go. So yeah, we're gonna wait for these to cook, then I'll be done. I had to physically get into the oven to squash them down because they weren't right, because they aren't rising. Even though I put in self-rising flour, like it said for me to do. Here. Self-rising flour. Hopefully, those go well. I am literally sat here on the floor just staring at the cookies. They look alright actually, not gonna lie. I just got blasted with heat. Oh, they smell good. Come on. Oh. Cookies. Now, yes, they are okay. I believe there is one of those pointy sticks thingy-majiggies in here that allows me to check. Yes, this thing. I think that's what it is. I mean, came out clean. Does that mean it's done? Question mark? Yeah, came out clean. I'm just gonna check all of them just in case. I think they're done. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna let them cool down for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and I'll be back. So, hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.
There we go. And while I wait for those to cool down, I'm gonna take my decorations upstairs and yeah, edit this vlog. Look, I know it's only been about 20 minutes since they were cooked. I really want to try one before I go to bed. So I have felt them. They sound hard, but then I don't know. Here we go. Give me a moment. Yes. Pumpkin. These are my first pumpkin cookies. I can taste the I can taste the earthy pumpkin. Yes, yes, and yes. I'd 100% have it. I'll 100% make these again in the future. But for now, into the jar they go. My first batch of autumn cookies in the new house are done. Cookies. The lip won't stay sharp. But yeah. Cookies. This is the inside, by the way. Come on. Focus. Come on. It will not focus. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. That's the inside. Being dead serious, it tastes like biting into a leaf. It's so autumnal. It's the best. Good morning, everybody. It's currently a new day. It's a new day after what I made last night, the cookies. That did not make sense. But anyway, it's 11 a.m. The dogs have gone for a walk. Well, they're back now, see. And I'm just chilling on the sofa watching Darling Desi. I'm watching her newest video, and so far, I love it so much.
Market and get soup supplies, make a fresh soup, maybe even bring it outside on the porch in a thermos, have some fresh sourdough bread or some spiced drink.
Welcome to the forest. Well, one of the forests. I explored this one a couple of times now, and I know where it leads. I think I'll be coming a lot here. I think I'll be coming here a lot more often. When it's in the warmer weathers, such as summer or spring or any season really, and it's sunny and dry, I'll come out with a blanket and just sit out here. I mean, the leaves are starting to change. The floor is covered in leaves. See? Even up there, some are changing. Right there. you know, this is probably one of the most best places I've ever been to. I mean, I'm in the woods, there's trees everywhere, I've got the dogs, all I can hear is birds and the wind, and every now and then I see that subtle breeze, and the mini twigs, leaves are falling, it's starting to rain a little bit, it's just so gosh darn cozy. It feels so magical as well. Going underneath that little like arch tree thingamajiggy, that was the best thing I've ever done. Where's Kiana? There he is. At the moment I'm laying on this like I'm standing on this like sticks like thing, or probably from the pine trees up there. That would probably make more sense. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna finish this walk off. I'm gonna walk that way because it's the final bit that I'm gonna explore. Then head home. So, everybody, that's the end of this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed this awesome vlog that I've done, and I'm gonna go for a bath, relax, and yeah, I lied. This is I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm actually gonna properly say it without I'm being set up by Kiana, without messing up my words and smacking the fridge. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this magical, whimsical, dog, everything type of walk, and this has been one of my most favourite vlogs I've ever done here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll speak to you all soon.